I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making white chocolate caramel pecan fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. We had a little celebration on Mother's Day for the sisters in the church I attend. As usual, when I'm making candy for a large group, I made fudge. This recipe was suggested by our compadre Linda, and I think it has a sort of elegance to it that some fudges lack. Perhaps once you've seen and hopefully tasted it, you'll agree. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own white chocolate caramel pecan fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And speaking of making fudge for a large group, stick around after the recipe for a glimpse of the massive amount of fudge I made to help a local nonprofit organization. For this recipe, you'll need 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 1/4 cups of white chocolate, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, and about 1/3 cup of room temperature caramel sauce. I'm also using an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, a microwavable mixing bowl, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan and set it aside. In a medium-sized microwavable bowl, add the white chocolate, butter, vanilla, and sweetened condensed milk. Microwave the mixture for 30 seconds. Then give it a good stir. Repeat until the white chocolate and butter are melted, then fold in the pecans. Pour the fudge into the lined baking pan and spread it evenly. Drizzle the caramel over the top of the fudge, then drag a knife through the chocolate and the caramel to give it a marbled effect. Once the fudge is set, cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. Sláinte. That's really good. The crunch of the pecan provides a nice counterpoint to the creaminess of the fudge, and the kind of dark sweetness of the caramel tones down the white chocolate, which can be a little overpowering at times. The textures and flavors all work very well together. I gotta say it, you really ought to try these. For the past few years now, Mrs. Randy Makes Candy and I have been volunteering at a place called Saddles and Service. It's a ranch that provides free equine therapy for veterans and first responders. I'll leave a link to their website in the description. They recently held their 2nd annual golf tournament fundraiser and asked if I'd be willing to provide candy for the goodie bags that the recipients would be receiving. Of course I said yes. That's when I found out that there would be 144 goodie bags. Undaunted, well, only slightly daunted, I went home and started trying some ideas. I considered molded chocolates and a cute equine theme, but it didn't take long to find out that I just can't temper chocolate on that scale. I finally settled on, what else? Fudge. 5 batches of Mexican chocolate fudge later, I created 144 packages, each containing 2 pieces of fudge. In case you're wondering, this is what that looked like. It was a bit of work, but considering the worthiness of the cause, I didn't mind a bit. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. In a medium-sized bowl, microwave